Welcome to the IQTouch TR1310C Pro personal device connectivity tutorial. This quick guide shows you how to easily connect and present using your device. Insert the IQShare button into the USB port of the IQTouch TR1310C Pro. Launch the EShare app and wait for pairing. Then insert the button into your laptop and press the center button to start screen sharing. Mobile devices support two modes, share screen and TV mirror. For share screen, ensure both devices are on the same network. Open the EShare app on both the interactive display and your mobile device. On your phone, tap the QR code scanner, then scan the QR code shown on the interactive display to share your phone screen. For TV mirror, on your phone, simply select TV mirror in the EShare app to control the interactive display directly. The same two modes apply for iPads, share screen and TV mirror. For share screen, make sure the iPad and display are connected to the same network. Open the EShare app on both the interactive display and the iPad. Locate the device you wish to caster from the list, then tap it to begin screen sharing. For TV mirror, select TV mirror on the iPad to control the interactive display. Connect one end of a USB-C cable to the side Type-C port of the display and the other end to your laptop. This enables 100W fast charging. For K video, pair the IQShare button with the display and launch the EShare. Open your preferred conferencing software on your laptop, then insert the button and press the center button. That's how you connect and collaborate with IQTouch TR1310C Pro using your personal device.